Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cape Cod Kwassa Kwassa on guitar. We'll start by identifying the core chords that form the song's foundation. You'll learn the basic strumming pattern, which is crucial for capturing that unique rhythmic feel. Our goal is to get you playing the main sections with confidence, focusing on the song's signature groove right from the start. Let's dive in and get those fingers moving. The heart of this song lies in its Kwassa Kwassa rhythm. This isn't just a simple strum, it's a syncopated technique that emphasizes upstrokes, giving it that distinctive bounce. Focus on a light, almost bouncy feel, ensuring your upstrokes are clear and pronounced. Practice maintaining a consistent tempo, perhaps around 120 beats per minute, to truly nail that infectious, danceable groove. It's all about the feel. Now, let's put those chords and rhythm together into the song's structure. The main progression often cycles through G, C, D, and M, but pay close attention to the specific order for the verses and choruses. Practice transitioning smoothly between these four chord shapes. There are usually distinct sections, like a bridge or instrumental break, that might introduce slight variations. Understanding this flow will help you play the entire song seamlessly. To truly master Cape Cod Kwassa Kwassa, consistent practice is key. I highly recommend using a metronome to solidify your timing and ensure that infectious rhythm stays tight. Listen to the original recording frequently. Pay attention to the subtle nuances in the guitar part and the overall feel. Don't be afraid to experiment with your guitar's tone settings to get closer to that bright, clean sound. With a little dedication, you'll be grooving in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.